Okay, children. Now, the quick revision of the lesson. The earth, our home. Our earth has water, air and sunlight. Our earth covers the surface, 3/4 part of the water and 1/4 part of land. Okay, next our earth, the shape of our earth is orange, like orange. In the year 1522, Ferdinand Magellan proved that our earth shape is in a round shape. How he proved? He started his journey in the same direction. He come back after 3 years at the same place. This proved that our earth was round, but it's not actually completely round. It's look like an orange. On the top and bottom it's a flat, and at the center it's a bulge. Okay, like that our earth shape. The northernmost point is called North Pole and southernmost point is called South Pole. Now come to the horizon. The point which the earth and sky appears to meet is called horizon, and the part where land and sea appears to the meet, that is called coast. Okay, and our earth is also called as a blue planet. Why? When we take a pic from the outer space, it look like a blue. Why it look like a blue? Because our earth surface has 3/4 part of water and 1/4 part of land. Large land masses are called continents, and large water bodies are called oceans. Large land masses, continents, large water bodies, oceans. How many continents and oceans in our earth? Yes, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Which are those continents? Just remind: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. One more time: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. And 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Repeat once again: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Now come to for the eclipses. How many eclipses we found in our earth? 2 eclipses. One is solar eclipse, second one is lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse appears when the moon blocks the sunlight which falling on the earth. That time solar eclipse appears. Next come to the lunar eclipse. When the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon and earth comes between the moon and the sun, the lunar eclipse appears. Okay, solar eclipse andre surya grahana, lunar eclipse andre chandra grahana. And we can look at the moon during the lunar eclipses. This is your lesson, the earth, our home. You learn the meaning of the earth, the shape of the earth, as well as horizon, coast, 7 continents, 5 oceans, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. These are all the subtopics in your the lesson, the earth, our home. Now we will move on for the exercise part. Now exercise part, your A part, fill in the blanks. Okay, first one: the dash is the only planet known to support life. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಇದೆ? air, water, sunlight, where the living beings are survive their life. In which planet? Which planet you are? ಯಾವ planet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ? Yes, answer is Earth. Earth is the only planet where it is support our life. Okay, come to the second one. The earth is dash in shape and it slightly dash at both the poles. How the earth shape? Earth shape ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಬೋತ್ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಸೌತ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ round in shape. In which shape the earth is? Round in shape and slightly flat at both the poles. On the north pole it is flat and on the south pole it is also flat. Like a which fruit? Orange. Okay, got the point? Yes. Come to the third one. The dash protect us from the sun's harmful rays. Sun ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತಹ harmful rays ಅನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Yes, ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Which one? Yes, answer is atmosphere. Atmosphere protect us from the sun's harmful rays. Fourth one, there are dash continents and dash oceans on the earth. Okay children, tell me how many continents and how many oceans are there? Yes, 7 continents and 5 oceans. How many continents? 7 continents and 5 oceans. Dash occurs when the earth blocks the sunlight falling on the moon. Okay, which eclipse? Yes, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, it's lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. This is your A part. Fill in the blanks. Come to the B part. State whether these statements are true or false. True ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ T ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. False ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ F ಅಂತ these boxes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Write up ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first one, the earth is the fourth planet from the sun. Is it true? Earth solar system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಂದ fourth place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ? Is it true? No, this is false because earth is a third planet from the sun. Which place? Third place from the sun. So it is false. All the planets in the solar system have life on them. ಎಲ್ಲ planets ಅಲ್ಲಿ life ಇದೆನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ planets ಅಲ್ಲಿ air, water, sunlight ಇದೆನಾ? No. Answer is F. False because only the earth planet have water, air and sunlight. Okay, so that's why it's a false. Next, Ferdinand Magellan was first to prove that the earth was round. Who discovered that the earth was round? Ferdinand Magellan. So is it true or false? True. Answer is true. Next, the left and right sides of the earth are known as poles. Left ಮತ್ತೆ right side ಇದಕ್ಕೆ poles ಅಂತಾರಾ ಅರ್ಥದ್ದು? No. So this is false. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಂತಾರೆ? North pole, south pole. North pole, south pole. Not a right and left. Okay. This is all your A part and B part of the lesson. The earth, our home exercise part. You have to write down neatly in your fair book by write down the title, the earth, our home exercise part, and by head A part and B part. Okay.